What's up, guys? Welcome to Hypertrader channel. My name is Anderson. I made this video just to share with you about my car, and also why did I build this channel. This channel I built to share my common experience about the motor vehicles, car, motorbikes and everything. So I all share all about my passion. Today I'm gonna start with my vehicle. It's a Ford Mustang GT 2019, the S550. It's an auto, 10 gears. It's a lovely car. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys about some interiors. It's a very nice interiors of these vehicles. Digital screen, nice interior doors. Also, this car has very nice seats, leather seats, very comfortable vehicle, very comfortable seats. So you have here space for two persons and another two persons in the back. So we're gonna start now. Hit the engine start button, wait to load all the contents of vehicle. Doors open, okay. Hood wanna open, okay, thank you. So now here's come up the nice horse on the screen, the multimedia screen. So guys, this car has 450 brake horsepower. It's a V8 engine, it's a 5 liters and 10 gears. So it's very fast car. And I'm gonna start the vehicle now, guys. I didn't make too much modification principle on the exhaust. I would still love to do the exhaust. Probably I will do next week. But I tell you, the only modification I've done is about, until now, the wheel spacers are using 25mm in the front, 25 in the back. Also, I just put some windows tinting at the moment. Now I'll go to the modifications to the exhaust, and probably I will do some suspension as well. So now I'm gonna start the vehicle to you. Just press the brake, hit the button, starting now vehicle on. Very nice sound, but as you can see, it's not that loud. It's quite nice and quiet. Also, you have here some, you can make some changes about the noise of the exhaust. You can go to exhaust mode, and so we go here quiet, we go normal, sport and racetrack. So this car has so much nice track apps. We can measure acceleration time in 0 to 30 to 6 to 100 quarter miles. So brake performance, we can test brake performance, line lock. This is very nice and cool because we can do a perfect burnout with the line lock. We just need to press and hold the OK. The nice little wheel is appear there. Hit the brakes and accelerate the gas. The car do a perfect burnout. They don't move it 1 millimeter. It's quite nice burnout. I will do a video just for the burnout soon for you guys. And also we have here time lapse. If you do a track day, so you can do a track lap timer on your track days. Gadgets is just about the gadgets on the middle. And this car has like the drive modes. You can change it right here. Now is in normal. We can change it now. Okay, it's on. So to sport plus. The vehicle change completely the screen. Very nice. Very nice drive as well on sport plus. So we can change it here now to also the helmet one. So this is the track, race track. This is my favorite drive. The traction control goes off, but they don't go off 100%. To go 100% off, you need to change it right here, but they literally do like 7% off, because if you start to come up too much, they will also help you. Also we have here, the other one is drag, if you want to do a drag race. Also we have, of course, snow, wet, bad weather, so you can use this one as well. They slow down the car very well. So yeah, we have here all the steering wheels controls. We have the multimedia, we can pair your phone with the screen, share everything here. So now we're gonna show you guys outside the vehicle, spaces on the boot, engine. If you see here now, I just leave that open to see. It's very massive space. We can put like 2 big luggages here, 2 small here. I've done that before already, so sits perfect fine. Also the engine is very massive engine, 5 liters V8, as you can see. Very big, nice engine, powered by Ford. So let me close all the doors, show you guys about the wheel spacers. As you see, 25 sits pretty nice. The wheels here coming to the edge, and the front as well, we go 25 mil, as you can see. So yeah, 25 is my recommendation for the front and the back. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed my video share about my vehicle. It's pretty nice vehicle to have, I think, because for that power, that technology, of course, the amazing vehicle is the Ford Mustang. Is iconic American dreams car. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments, of course. Also, please subscribe to my channel, leave us a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you.